Hi, this is Ghulam Nabi from Coding Fact YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about computer virus. What is computer virus? Computer virus is a program. It means that it is a set of instructions that enter into the computer without permission or knowledge of the user. It can disturb the normal working of computer. It is usually designed to damage a device or steal our data. It makes copies of itself and attach to the files in the flash drives, hard disks and email attachments. Then it spread from device to device. A file containing computer virus is called infected file. Mostly viruses are activated when we open the infected file. Some most destructive computer viruses are I love you. This is the computer virus name, nothing else. Number 2, Code Red, Storm Trojan and Saucer. In the next video, we will discuss what a computer virus can do in our computer. So thanks for watching.